Like everyone else is gone. And I'm the only one sitting here. Just wait. Well, there's a next lady and a next guy. So three of us are left here. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am celebrating with my friend. She's getting married today, and I'm here at her wedding. I'm going to be doing like a Zoom thing for her for those persons that can't make it. And coincidentally, my hair is matching the theme. Do you see that over there? Like girl full-fledged macho. But yeah, it's gonna be a beautiful wedding though. So I'm just setting up here. You can see the tripod. So yeah, coming to a wedding with me. I feel very weird. I think she's here now and stuff, but let's see.
Sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death us do part, according to God's holy ordinance, and to you I pledge my faith.
That's right. So guys, everyone went to Oak Gardens to take photos, and I opted not to go because I'm socially awkward. Like everyone else is gone. And I'm the only one sitting here. Just wait. Well, there's a next lady and a next guy. So three of us are left here while everyone else gone take photos. And I'm just like, I'm such an awkward individual. Like, but anyways, what's that? Anyways, I was waiting for the reception to start. And everything. It's a beautiful ceremony. This is your little thing. It's like super cute. But weddings are hard. I never knew what love could do to a heart that is surrendered. Found out the truth when I met you. Now my heart is yours forever. You're the one I wanna dance with for the rest of my life. You're the one I wanna hold and never let go. Without you, I know. Without you, I'd be lost. I need you by my side for the rest of my life. Without you, I'd be lonely. Without you, I'd be weak. I need your love till death do us part. Can this be true? I found you. My heart has longed for someone reach me. Is this just a dream? Oh, nothing It's just reality. You're the one I wanna dance with for the rest of